Hello students, in this video you will be learning how to use can, cannot or can't, can I, may I, can you. So the first one, can. Can is used to show the ability. When you have the ability to do the something you can use can. When you don't have the ability to do something we use cannot. The short form of cannot is can't. Can I and may I? When do we use? Can I and may I are used usually to ask permission. And then can you? Can you is used to ask help more often. So let's look at the examples so that you can understand in a better way. See here example, I can eat all the sweets. That means I have the ability to eat all the sweets. When you don't have the ability to eat all the sweets, you say, I cannot eat all the sweets or I can't eat all the sweets. Now here comes the question, can I eat all the sweets? That means it is a way of asking permission in an informal way. Whom do you ask permission in an informal way? You can ask your parents, friends, or your nearest and dearest family members. You can ask permission by using can I? Can I do this? Can I go there? Can I eat this? Can I wear this? Like that. So if you want to ask neighbors, if you want to get permission to do something from neighbors or from teacher or from somebody in the office, you use may I. May I do this? May I take a newspaper? That means that is a formal way of asking permission from somebody with whom you are not familiar with. So the reply for this question will be no you can't or yes you can. Usually nobody can eat a plate full of sweets. So the answer could be no you can't. And then can and may are used to ask permission and to give permission. So far you have learned to ask permission. Now how to give permission in an informal way and formal way. So it will be like this. You can eat all of them if you want. That is an informal way of giving permission. Or you can say simply, yes you can, no you can't. Next, you may eat all of them if you wish. That is giving permission but in a formal way. Let's see some more examples. And before that, how to use can you. As I said before, can you is used to ask help from somebody. Can you help me to do this? Can you catch this? Can you give me a hand on this? Next one. May I come in, teacher? Can I come in, teacher? It's a wrong way of asking permission. Why? Because teacher, usually we use formal expressions in schools, colleges, and institutions, and also in offices, right? So you are asking teacher. Yeah, that means school related, right? So you should use may I come in teacher, not Can I come in, teacher? And next one is, may I help you, ma'am? May I help you, ma'am? That is also asking in a formal way. Can I help you, mom? Because you are asking your mom, you can say, can I help you, mom? Can I help you? You are asking your friend. So you can use can. May I take the newspaper, sir? May I take the newspaper, sir? That is asking a permission in a formal way. May I sit in the window seat? May I sit in the window seat? Asking a stranger formally. Asking a permission from a stranger formally. Next one is, can I have that? Can I have this? Asking informally. Okay. Next one, can I use your pen? Can I borrow something? Can I borrow your pen? Can I use your bicycle for a moment? You can ask permission by using can I in many ways. Every day in your home, you can use many expressions using can I rather than may I. But in the school and with neighbors and with strangers, you should use always may I. Right. That's it for today.